In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Made with Card watermark on card. If you've been building a website using card, you might have noticed that when you publish your site using the free version, there's a small watermark or badge at the bottom that credits card. For many users, especially if you're setting up a professional site or portfolio, you may want your site to look clean and branded to you alone. I'm here to guide you through the process of removing that watermark so your site looks exactly how you want. To get started, head over to the Card website by typing card.co into your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the Login button, which you'll find right in the middle of the page. Click on that to bring up the login screen, where you'll need to enter your credentials and sign into your account. Make sure you use the account connected with the site you want to edit. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Card dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the sites you've created. Take a moment to scroll through and choose the specific website where you'd like to remove the watermark. Click on your chosen site to open it in the editor. Now, it's important to note that if you're currently using the free version of Card, the watermark will usually appear at the bottom of your published website. However, if you're on a pro trial or have purchased a pro plan, you might not see it, even on the editor, because the pro version automatically removes that branding for you. So here's the crucial part. To completely hide or remove the Made with Card watermark, you'll need to upgrade to one of Card's pro plans. Unfortunately, there isn't a workaround on the free plan to remove the branding, as this is how Card supports their free service. But the good news is that Card's pro plans are very affordable compared to most website builders. With a pro subscription, not only do you get to eliminate the watermark, but you also unlock a suite of advanced features like custom forms, integrations, and custom domains, which can make your site even more professional and functional. When you're ready to upgrade, simply head to their pricing page and select the plan that works best for you. After subscribing, just republish your site and you'll see that the branding is gone. If you want your site to look truly your own without any external branding, this is the best and only official way to do it within Card. That's all there is to it. Upgrading to the Pro version is a straightforward and effective way to remove the Made with Card watermark and present your site exactly how you envision it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make your Card site more polished and professional.